The 44-inch Hawkins III is a transitional style ceiling fan with a hugger bowl design and a shatter-resistant light shade. The fan is rated for indoor use only and is pull chain operated. The 44-inch blade span is best suited for small rooms that are 10 feet by 10 feet or smaller. The fan can be installed on standard ceilings and low ceilings. Use the menu to skip ahead, or continue watching for the complete installation guide. To install the fan, you will need a UL listed outlet box that is 4 fan support of up to 35 pounds. You will also need a stepladder, screwdriver, wire stripper, and electrical tape. Begin by turning power off at the breaker. At the ceiling box, remove the 2 screws. Bring the mounting bracket up to the box and align the holes. Insert and tighten the removed screws. Remove all 4 nuts and washers from the mounting bracket. Carefully bring the fan motor up to the mounting bracket and use the hole to hang it from the hook. Now you can make the electrical connections. Combine the ground wires from the ceiling box, fan motor, and mounting bracket together with a wire nut. Combine the white wire from the fan with the neutral wire from the outlet box. Combine the black and blue wires from the fan with the hot wire from the outlet box. If you have an additional hot wire to control the fan and light separately, connect the black wire for fan power to one hot wire, and the blue wire for light power to the other hot wire. Cap off any unused wires in the outlet box with a wire nut. Wrap electrical tape around the connections to hold the wires in place. Lift the fan and align it over the studs on the mounting bracket. Insert and tighten the 4 removed nuts and washers. Verify that all electrical connections are safely secured against the bracket and are not touching the top of the motor. Bring the motor housing up to the motor. Locate the 4 supports inside. Align the supports with the 4 studs on the mounting bracket. Press and turn clockwise until the housing is snug and secure. The ceiling mounting is complete and the fan blades can now be installed. This fan features quick install blades that do not require any screws to attach. Prepare a fan blade and a blade arm. Ensure the desired side of the fan blade is facing downward, then align the keyholes on the blade with the blade arm posts underneath. Press and pull until the spring locking mechanism clicks and locks the blade in place. Repeat the process for the remaining blades. Bring a blade assembly up to the motor and align it with the holes underneath. Tighten both pre-assembled blade arm screws securely. Repeat the process for the remaining blade assemblies. With the fan blades attached, you can now install the light kit. On the light kit, remove all 3 light kit mounting screws. Bring the light kit up to the fan and connect the 4-pin wire connectors. Then connect the 2 white wires together and the black and blue wires together. Lift the light kit and align the holes with the holes on the switch housing underneath. Insert and tighten the 3 removed light kit mounting screws. Install the 2 included LED bulbs. Remove the decorative nut, cap, and metal nut from the light kit. Bring the plastic shade up to the fan and align it over the light kit shaft. Ensure the side switch chain goes straight through the side hole on the shade. Reinstall the metal nut to hold the plastic shade in place. Slide the cap over the light kit stem and ensure the side switch chain goes straight through the side hole. Reinstall the decorative nut to hold the cap securely in place. Clip on the pull chains and fobs. Safely restore power at the breaker. The installation is complete and the fan is now ready to operate. The fan speed pull chain cycles through the different fan speeds. The fan can be set to high speed, medium speed, low speed, and off. Use the light chain to toggle the light on or off. With the fan turned off, use the reverse switch to change the direction of the blade rotation. For warm weather, the fan will spin counterclockwise to push air downward and produce a cooling effect. For cool weather, the fan will spin clockwise to cycle warm air off the ceiling. Congratulations! You are now ready to use your brand new ceiling fan. For technical support and replacement parts, call the customer service number in your owner's manual.